Hello students! We're taking a look at finding the right resources online. Is that online article, website, or video you found for your research appropriate? This is important because you need to know how to evaluate what you find. There's a lot of inaccurate information online, but if you learn how to spot a good source, that makes your research go so much easier. First of all, our discussion question. How do I know if a possible website or online resource is any good? There are several things to consider when you're evaluating a website. And I have found several websites, and they're linked here, plus videos, that detail what you need to look for. The first website we'll look at, there's a link here. It's pretty self-evident what they mean. It's the CRAP test. Next, we have another resource that details evaluating a website, plus another one with a few more details. This has 5 criteria. This has 6 criteria. All of these are worth looking at. They're slightly different, and when you research information, you should always check multiple resources. If you're still unsure about evaluating a website, then please take a look at Kathleen Moore's resources. She talks about doing effective research, plus offers a handy flow chart. It's a visual here that you can use for double checking your sources. I want to point out that you will also find videos. These videos will help you look at what you need to know to evaluate websites. It is helpful to see and hear what to do when you are considering your resources. Take a look at both videos for evaluating a website. I've included helpful videos on searching keywords. There's one right here, and there's one over here. Along with spotting fake news. There's a video right here about fake news. With that in mind, the last resource I want to point out to you is a link to factcheck.org. Remember, anyone can post something on the internet, and these resources inform you how to filter through what you find. Several resources mention that you need to check your facts. So take a look at factcheck.org. This is just a sample of what you can find online. Even though there are tons of websites that just want you to buy something or resources that are factually incorrect, there are so many more that are useful and helpful. With a little bit of practice, you will spot good resources in no time.